In this video, we're going to walk through how you can create group travel itineraries for your travelers while saving time and providing a personalized experience for each individual. We're going to go through 3 different methods so you can choose the one that matches your workflow the best. We'll start off with the first method, which is customizing individuals' itineraries. To do so, you'll want to check a few things. One, you'll want to make sure the toggle looks like this, where it's toggled off from classic editing. The second thing you'll want to do is select the More button and then People. From here, you'll want to add all of the travelers for this group trip into this area. You can either do this by bulk importing via a spreadsheet, or you can select Add a Contact, and if they already live in your Travefy CRM, you should just be able to type in their name and select them easily to get them added. All of our travelers have been added, so we'll exit out of here. From there, you get to decide which events each traveler should or shouldn't see. For example, we'll go ahead, I'll click into Wednesday, and at the bottom, this is where I have the different cabin options that are available for them to choose. Let's say that they went ahead, they selected a decision option, and from here, all you need to do is go up to the top and decide who you want to customize this itinerary for. We'll start with Cynthia, and I'll select Customize. And from here, I know that she decided to go with the C1 cabin. Therefore, she doesn't need to see the A1 cabin or the Amadeus suite. We'll start with the A1 cabin. We'll select the 3 dots and we'll select Hide Event from this view. We'll scroll on down and we'll make sure to hide the Amadeus suite from her view as well. Now, when she accesses her itinerary, she'll see only her cabin that she'll be staying in. Let's do this one more time for Jamie. We'll select her name. And let's say that for Jamie, she is instead staying in the A1 cabin. We'll do this again. Select the 3 dots and select to hide it. We'll do this again for Amadeus Suite. Select the 3 dots and choose to hide it. You can choose to make these adjustments throughout the itinerary, giving each traveler a version that's tailored specifically to them while still managing everything from one single trip. When you're finished, go ahead and select Preview up at the top right. And up at the left-hand side, you'll be able to view as a specific traveler. So if we go down to Wednesday, we can see all of the same shared information, except Jamie here only sees her cabin that she is staying in. Let's do this for Cynthia. We'll select Viewing As and select Cynthia. And as you can see, Cynthia sees the same shared information, but she doesn't see the A1 cabin or the Amadeus suite that we hid from her view. Let's go ahead and go back into the itinerary builder. The second method is personalizing itineraries with tagging. Tagging lets you assign specific events to individual travelers, while this first method was hiding events. To get started, toggle this on to classic editing. And from here, let's click into Monday, where the flights are. These 2 travelers are traveling separately. One is coming from Chicago, the other from Toronto. However, I want to make sure that they easily see their own flights and get their own flight alerts. To tag, you can click a pencil icon onto the event and scroll down towards the bottom. You'll see a People section, and if you only want specific people to view this item, select Only Specific People and start to type in the name of your traveler. We'll type in Cynthia and choose her from that drop-down list. And let's go to the connecting flight that she has. We'll select the pencil icon once again. Scroll down to the bottom, find your People section and select Only Specific People before typing in the name of the traveler. We'll select Done Editing to have that saved, and you can see here what travelers are tagged to which event. This means that they are the only ones who will see this item. Another way that you can save a lot of time, especially if you're working with multiple travelers and multiple events that you would want tagged, you can go into Any Day, select the Collapse mode, and this condenses the events down. If you needed to bulk select, you can bulk select here. In this case, I won't do that for this flight, but select your 3 dots, select Tag People, and type in everyone who you want tagged to this item. In this case, we only need to tag Jamie. We'll save our tags. And as you can see, Jamie is now tagged to her flight coming from Toronto. But again, the collapse mode and bulk actions allows you to move really quickly, especially if you're working with a larger group. We'll do this one more time. Again, make sure you're in collapse mode. Select your items. Find your 3 dots and select Tag People. Type in their names and save tags once everyone has been added. When you're finished, just like before, select the preview button up at the top right. And up at the top left, you can switch between every traveler's views. If we select Cynthia this time, and we go to Monday, we see her flight going from Chicago and arriving in Vienna. Let's take a look at Jamie's. We'll do Jamie's, where she's coming from Toronto and also arriving in Vienna. Both tagging and that individual itinerary customization editing achieves very similar results, but the best option truly just comes down to which workflow fits your style of planning. Another item that you'll want to take note of is sharing this out. Go ahead, select your share button up at the top right, and from here, you can decide if you want individual links for your individual travelers. So if I want to send Jamie her personalized itinerary, you can see when I selected share that this is an itinerary view specifically for Jamie. The same is true for the app. She'll be able to see only her items that she's been tagged or those customized events. If you happen to be working with a group where there is a parent or a group leader that you would want to share the full view itinerary, seeing everybody's tagged items, you can always go ahead and select full detailed itinerary of all travelers, copy that web link, and it's going to look something like this. It essentially allows the viewer to see those tagged buttons that you as the advisor see. The last and final method is duplicating a trip. I'm going to go back into the trip overview. We'll go back here. And to get started with this is where we simply duplicate or create a copy of an itinerary. This is a really helpful approach, especially for travelers who won't be traveling together throughout the entire time, or maybe they don't know each other and you don't want to have them in a shared group chat. What you can do is select the copy button. You'll have a few different options. You can either copy it to a brand new trip overview, copy it to an existing trip overview you might have already started, or you can only duplicate it right within this same trip, so everything related to this group trip is all in one place for you to find. You can customize this copy as much as you would like, as it won't edit the other copies or master itinerary. But whether you're planning those family vacations, destination weddings, student tours, Travefy is giving you multiple ways to personalize the experience without having to create unnecessary work. If you have any questions and you're starting your first group trip in Travefy, you're always welcome to reach out to us via that live chat. We're happy to review with you those 3 different options. But thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started video.